If you want anything from your life, so you have to do something, and you already know that what thing should be done by you. You already know that. I do you really? I think yes. You know what you want from your life. Okay. And you know what thing should be done by you to achieve that particular thing. But you are not achieving that thing because of what? What? What goal? What? Why you are not achieving that goal or dream? Because you are a fucking lazy guy. You don't want to do anything in your life. And you're just giving fucking excuses. I cannot do it, bro. I have nothing, bro. What I can do, bro? I cannot do, bro. What the fuck is that? Nobody is here to talk about your problem, your excuses. So don't fuck out of shit. Don't eat shit. Okay? Try to put it away. Don't eat shit. Now you are trying to eat shit. That's why you couldn't achieve that. Become solution oriented, not problem oriented. Why you just see the problems? Why you can't see the solution? Just say, I have to go to gym and I am a going gym. But I have no money. How I can go? Do home workout. You say, I'm going gym, but I have no healthy food. So the fuck. Don't eat pizza, burger. And now you have everything, bro. You are just fucking giving excuses. That's why this is happening. Don't give it. Nobody here is to listen. And just think. Your goal is to achieve something. Okay? Your goal is to achieve something. Then why you are giving so much excuses? You know that. Oh, bro. Nobody listen my excuse. What should I do? What should I do? Please tell me. Really? Nobody listen. That's of course. Why somebody listen your excuse? Just do those things you can control. Two things. One, you can control and you can't control. So focus on this. Okay. Focus on right, not left hand. Just see what you can control and what things in your hand. Okay. I'm not talking about your penis, which is always in your hand day and night. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about what situation you can control, what thing you can control. And this is also a thing. But jokes apart, I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say that don't give any excuses. If you dream something, then you have to do hard work. If you expect, I want this level of success, and your actions are zero level, then how the hell you will achieve? That's a totally out of the blue. If you get success, then it would be out of the blue. Yes, it would be out of the blue. Just try to give more effort. If you want to this level of success, you have to do this level of success. And then you can achieve it. Otherwise, you can't. Bro, you have everything. If you don't have everything, then this video will not suggest you. You have iPhone or Android, anything. You have phone. You might have internet. Not might, but you must have an internet to play this video. Got it? And lot of people have no food. They are starving. They die because of starving. And you just giving me fucking excuses that, bro, I really want to do this thing, but I get distracted. You know why you did get distracted because in your tummy there is food. And when your father says, get out of my house, and your father kick out, then you know you have to do something. And when you feel starving, you fuck bro, I really want to eat something. Please give me. I will do anything. Then you don't remember masturbation. You don't remember porn. You don't remember anything else. Just food, 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 food. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I don't think so. Because you never feel this. Starving, hunger is crazy thing. Just feel it. You can understand. Then you never do. Then you would never say, oh, I get distracted, bro. I get distracted, bro. What should I do, bro? Then you never, never. I hope you understood.